Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Quick Connect heater hoses. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool and the cooling system is depressurized to prevent burns. You will need a coolant catch pan, safety glasses, and a specialized heater hose disconnect tool. Locate the Quick Connect fitting, typically found near the firewall, which connects the heater hose to the heater core or pipe. Before disconnecting, position a catch pan directly underneath the hose to collect any coolant that may spill. Next, firmly push the Quick Connect fitting towards the heater core pipe. This action helps relieve tension on the internal locking mechanism. Then, use your specialized disconnect tool or carefully manipulate the white or clear locking ring by rotating it counterclockwise to unlock the connection. Once the locking mechanism is disengaged, gently wiggle the Quick Connect fitting while pulling it away from the heater core pipe. It may require a firm, steady pull. After removal, carefully inspect the internal O-rings and any other components within the fitting for signs of wear, cracks, or damage. If any parts appear compromised, replace them to ensure a leak-free seal upon reassembly. For reassembly, lubricate the new O-rings with a small amount of fresh coolant or silicone grease to aid installation and prevent damage. Align the Quick Connect fitting with the heater core pipe and push it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked. Give the hose a gentle tug to confirm it is fully seated. Finally, refill your cooling system and thoroughly check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.